If you're deciding between Microsoft Word and LibreOffice, it helps to understand the strengths and differences of each. Both are popular word processors, but they serve slightly different audiences and needs. Today, we'll compare MS Word and LibreOffice to help you choose the right tool. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Microsoft Word is the industry standard, offering a wide range of formatting options, templates, and advanced features like mail merge, macros, and built-in AI tools in the 2025 version. It's ideal for professional reports, academic papers, and documents that require precise formatting and complex layouts. Word also integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, making collaboration and cloud storage easy, especially for teams or businesses. LibreOffice, on the other hand, is a free and open-source alternative that's great for students, freelancers, or anyone on a budget. Its word processor, LibreOffice Writer, supports many of Word's basic functions, like formatting, tables, and styles. It also allows you to work offline without any subscription. LibreOffice is compatible with Word files, although some advanced formatting and templates may not transfer perfectly. When it comes to collaboration, Microsoft Word now has strong cloud features via OneDrive and Microsoft 365, including real-time editing and comments. LibreOffice lacks built-in real-time collaboration, so sharing and editing documents with a team can be less seamless, although cloud services like Nextcloud can help bridge the gap. Ultimately, your choice depends on your needs. Use Word if you require professional-level features, advanced formatting, and strong collaboration tools. Choose LibreOffice if you need a free, offline, and reliable word processor for basic to intermediate document creation. Many people even use both, LibreOffice for personal projects and Word for professional work. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or office worker, knowing the strengths of each program will help you work smarter and choose the best tool for your workflow. If you found this comparison helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with someone deciding between MS Word and LibreOffice. Thanks for watching.